Hello, how are you? Today we're going to revise the Unit 2. In this unit, we have learned about adjectives such as rich, poor, hungry, thirsty, clean, dirty, kind, mean. These adjectives, the bold words, are adjectives, but not any adjectives. They are antonyms. This word is the opposite of the next one. So, rich, the opposite adjective is poor. Hungry, the opposite of hungry is thirsty. The opposite of clean is dirty. The opposite of kind is mean. And these adjectives are short adjectives. They have two or less vowels, or less than 3 syllables. Less than 3 syllables. Then we have learned about the comparative adjectives. When do we add the ER and when do we add the IER and we double the last consonant. For example, let's read this conversation between Bouncer and Tina. Wow, it's hot. It's hotter. This adjective, we doubled the letter T because the previous one is a vowel. That's why we doubled the letter T. It's hotter and nicer than yesterday. And this adjective, nicer, we added only R because the E is original from the word or the adjective. Wow, it's hot. It's hotter and nicer than yesterday. In this sentence, we compared between yesterday and today. We used the adjective hot and nice. But this water is cold. This is the adjective. But this water is cold. It's colder than the ocean. We added ER because this is a short adjective. It's colder than the ocean. Look, my sun hat is dirtier than your sun hat. So the adjective dirty, it ends with the letter Y. When we change it into the comparative form, we replace the Y with IER, so it becomes dirtier than your sun hat. So, look, my sun hat is dirtier than your sun hat. My sun hat is cleaner than your sun hat now. The adjective is clean. We added ER, so it became a adjective form. Clean, cleaner. Look at these adjectives. Cold, hot, dirty. So we add ER. So cold, colder. We add only ER. In this adjective, we double the last letter, so hotter. We doubled the T because the previous one is a vowel. Dirty, we replace the Y with I. Then we add the ER. So colder, hotter, dirtier. Kind, big, nice. Kind, it becomes kinder. Big, we double the G. So bigger. Nice, we only add the letter R because the last one is E. So kinder, bigger, nicer. And we have learned some long adjectives such as dangerous, dangerous, comfortable, comfortable, beautiful, beautiful, colorful, colorful, expensive, expensive, delicious. These adjectives are long adjectives because they have more than 3 syllables or more than 3 vowels. And we learned how to compare using the long adjectives. We don't add the usual ER. We add more. More plus the long adjective. So dangerous becomes more dangerous than, more comfortable than, more beautiful than, and more colorful than, more expensive than, more delicious than. This is the comparative using the long adjectives. Also, we have read about the capybara and the guinea pigs, and they live in Venezuela. Also, they live next to a river. They are excellent swimmers, but the difference between the guinea pig and the capybara, that is, capybara is bigger than the guinea pig. Also, the capybara is a wild animal, but the guinea pig is smaller than the capybara, and it is a pet. We can raise it in our homes. Also, we have learned that some capybaras are 65 kilograms, and they are heavier than you. The most important thing that capybaras like swimming, and they are excellent swimmers. They swim in day and they eat at night. They don't eat any meat. They only eat grass and plants. That's why we call them herbivores. Herbivores. It means vegan, or they don't eat any meat. Now, I want you to look at the progress check on page 24. Progress check 24. Let's do it together. The progress check is on your pupils' books, page 24. Number 1. Complete the chart. We're going to use the comparative form of the following adjectives. So, number 1, long. Longer than. Hot. Hot. What do we do at the end? Excellent. We double the T. So, hotter than. Hotter than. Hungry. The last letter is Y. Don't miss it. We replace the Y with the letter I. So it becomes hungrier than. Hungrier than. So, longer than, hotter than, hungrier than. Comfortable. Comfortable. There are more than 3 syllables, or more than vowels in this adjective. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't add the ER. What do we do in this case? Yes, more comfortable. So the adjective in the comparative form becomes more comfortable. More comfortable. Big. This is a vowel and this is the consonant. We double the last consonant. So bigger than with double G. Dirty. We replace the Y with I. So dirtier than. And now let's move to the next activity. Look and complete the sentences with the words from the box. Let's read them together. Long, small, big, expensive, dirty. Let's use the comparative form. But before that, let's look at the picture. We have a bike, trumpet, skateboard, guitar, a computer game, a train, a car, and a bus. We're going to use the comparative form of these adjectives. Number 1, the skateboard is the bike. This is the skateboard and this is the bike. Yes, the skateboard is dirty. Excellent. The skateboard is dirtier than the bike. Dirtier than the guitar and the trumpet. Look at the guitar and this is the trumpet. Look at the size of the guitar. It is long. The guitar is longer than the trumpet. Longer. The train and the bus. Let's compare the train with the bus. Look how big is the train, but the bus is small, so the train is bigger than the bus. The train is bigger. Don't forget to double the G. Now let's move to number 4, the bike and the computer game. The bike is 385 pounds. 385. But the computer game is 29 pounds. So the bike is expensive. It's more expensive than the computer game. The bike is more expensive. Number 5, the car is the bus. The car is so small, but the bus is bigger. So the car is small. It becomes smaller than. The car is smaller than. Small.